In this video, I'll show you how to connect your hosting or domain to Bolt.new. The first thing you need to do is open your project on Bolt.new. Click on the More Options button and select All Project Settings. From the Settings page, click on Domain and Hosting. Here, you'll see two options. You can buy a new domain or connect one that you already own. Since we're using a hosting or domain, we'll connect it manually. Before connecting, go to your hosting or account. Scroll down to your list of domains and find the one you want to connect. Click on the Manage button next to it. In the domain settings, look for the section called DNS Name Servers and click on Edit. Here, you'll need to add a new record that points your domain to the correct location. Choose cname as the type. In the name field, type www, and in the target field, paste the link of your Bolt site or hosting provider, for example, yoursite.netlify.app, if it's hosted by Netlify. Then click Add Record to save it. Once your DNS record is added, go back to Bolt.new. Click on Connect a domain you own and paste your hosting or domain in the field. Keep in mind that you'll need a pro plan on Bolt.new to use a custom domain. After that, Bolt.new will verify the connection, and once it's confirmed, your domain will be successfully connected to your project. And that's it. That's how you can connect your hosting or domain to Bolt.new. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more website and tech tutorials.